Even if you don't travel and dress up, cleaning your face is an activity that shouldn't be abandoned. This routine includes basic steps for caring for your face, in addition to applying moisturizer and applying sunscreen. You need a facial wash or facial wash to carry out these activities. A good facial wash should clean dirt, sweat, oil, bacteria, dead skin cells, and makeup residue. Jaishree Sharad, a cosmetic dermatologist, explains that it is essential to clean your face correctly and choose the best facial cleanser that suits your skin type. The following are facial wash recommendations based on skin type. 1. Dry skin. Dry skin types often have an uneven, even scaly surface. A facial wash should contain moisturizing ingredients and fatty acids in the form of oil. Sharad suggests choosing a facial wash with petrolatum, lanolin, and mineral oil ingredients. Dry skin is usually quite sensitive, so a facial wash should not contain allergens, free from fragrances, chemicals, and alcohol, as well as a foam-free formula. Also, avoid antibacterial and exfoliating ingredients such as salicylic acid and glycolic acid, which make the skin even drier. 2. Oily skin. Launching from the Martha Stewart page, oily skin types produce excess sebum, so that the skin almost always looks wet. This type of skin needs an intense face wash that contains an exfoliator such as salicylic acid or lactic acid to remove excess oil from the pores. Besides that, the ingredients of aloe vera and tea tree oil are also good for balancing oil production. But don't let the face wash make the skin feel tight or like it's pulled. Sharad also advises avoiding face washes that contain oil or alcohol, which will only increase oil production. 3. Sensitive skin. Sensitive skin is prone to redness, inflammation, and burning-like sensation. Sensitive skin is often found in people with rosacea, eczema, and skin allergies. The skin needs a gentle face wash without causing an allergic reaction. Robin Myrek, a dermatologist, suggests a face wash with a creamy texture or not much lather. 4. Combination skin. This skin condition is unique because it is like combining two types of skin into one. You need to know that some areas of the face have oil, while other areas are dry. You need a type of best face wash that can clean oil and dirt, without being too harsh or abrasive to dry skin areas. Sharad recommends a face wash that is very gentle, and begins with the use of micellar water.